Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome to the Morning Brew, 11:25 in the morning. You guys just heard the song from Josh Groban. It's called To Where You Are. Song brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Check out the TCL Home Appliances Special Sale. All right, it's called the mid-season sale at Royal Duty Free shops, and save up to 50% off on selected TCL products. Visit the Royal Duty Free stores now. Store number 1 and store number 2. Also check out their social media pages. They're on Facebook, Instagram, and the official website www.royalsubic.com. You may call 252-3258 for inquiries, okay? And time for today's holidays and observances being brought to you this time by Wawa's Junior Subic Bay Freeport branch. All right, 0927-895-9714 for deliveries, okay? For the best tasting flame-grilled quarter-pounder burgers, buy one, take one burgers, sandwiches, the extra add-on promo, combo meals promo, and the best tasting different flavored fries, okay? For the Lincoln Heights subdivision, cell phone number 0927-950-8775. You may call or text those numbers for deliveries. Check out their Facebook page to check out if you want to check their official menu, okay? And on with today's holidays and observances, May 28, 2024. May 28 is for our country in the Philippines, Flag Day. Flag Day today. Flag Day usually occurs before the Independence Day celebration. All right? Our Independence Day is on June 12, so bago mag June 12, ano yan eh, usually 2 weeks before the Independence Day celebration of a country. Well, for us at least, that's what we follow. 2 weeks before the Independence Day, Flag Day muna. And so we got 2 full weeks of displaying our flag. You may put them on your terraces, at the balcony of your homes, on your car, on your motorcycles, even bicycles. Okay, let it fly high, fly proudly. Flag Day starts today, May 28, 2024. All right. May 28 is also Amnesty International Founders Day. The Brisket Day, something that's yummy for you. What's a brisket? It's food. Brisket is something that's soupy, parang noodles, parang ganun, or similar to our bulalo. Yan, yung mga ganyan. Yan, beef brisket. Okay, have you tried? Well, if you compare the brisket flavors or brisket styles of different countries, they're not that good compared to our local briskets here. Diba? Dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, masarap yung sa atin eh. Our bulalo is to die for. Not to mention our wonton mami, yung mga ganon, the likes. Okay? And today is also another yummy thing for you, Hamburger Day. May 28 is hamburger. So all of you big fans of the hamburger, me, myself included, so now I know what's gonna be for dinner. It's Hamburger Day today. Yeah, right? Okay, and what else? Women's Golf Day. Women who are into golfing, it's your day. So yeah, celebrate. And lastly, May 28 is also, again for women, after Women's Golf Day, Menstrual Hygiene Day. All right, I guess it's to raise awareness on giving importance on about your menstrual hygiene. Yes, okay. Hygiene is always important. Hindi lang mapa-eto man or in everything in general, hygiene is very, very important. Di ba? Sabi kasi nung nag-text sa akin dati, pag hindi raw hygiene, yun eh, low gene. Bullshit. And for those who are celebrating their birthdays today, this is the famous birthday segment.
Happy birthday you happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, Miss Sasha Padilla, May 28, 1964. All right. She's a Filipino singer and actress. And still is part of ABS-CBN contract actresses. Okay? So, Sasha Padilla, May 28, 1964. And next up, we have Miss Rufa May Quinto, also an actress. She's US-based now, actually. She's in Pasadena, California. All right, actress and comedian, May 28, 1978. Also, we have actor, comedian Paquito Diaz, May 28, 1937. Formidable kontrabida lagi ni FPJ. John Regala, also formidable kontrabida. But there was a time he was an action star, a leading action star. May 28, 1965. Next up we have pop singer Kylie Minogue. She turns 56 today. Dayun of the K-pop girl group Twice turns 26 today. All right. Filipino punk singer Idress. He was part of the bands Manila Ice, Sensitive G, and Let's Skip to the Wedding. I mean, those are his albums. He was a member of the band B-Eyes, there you go, before going on a solo career. He turns 34 today. Gladys Knight, soul singer, turns 80. Wow, 80 today already. All right. You guys remember Gladys Knight and the Pips? And okay, next up we have the NBA's Jerry West, turns 86 today. He is said to be the logo. Alam niyo yung NBA logo? Yun, si Jerry West daw yun, sabi. Okay? It was patterned after him dribbling the ball. Tapos, lately naglabasan yung if LeBron was the logo. Who's familiar with that? Taas ang kamay. Nakita niyo na ba yun? Dami nag-post, dami nag-share nun sa Facebook, If LeBron was the logo. Yeah, really, really funny looking logos there. Okay. Also, happy birthday to Colby Calais, pop singer Colby Calais. Siyempre, yung sumikat na song niya, Lucky, with Jason Mraz. Meron pa, Bubbly, there you go. Among others. Okay? Next up, we have happy birthday also to Jake Johnson, turns 46 today. He was on 21 Jump Street and Jurassic World. He played the voice of Peter Parker in the animated Spider-Man film Into the Spider-Verse. And lastly, mayor of one of the greatest cities in the world, New York. Former mayor, that is, si Rudy Giuliani. Dahil ang mayor na ngayon is si Michael Bloomberg of Bloomberg series of malls in New York. Okay, one of the places I wish to visit, to see before I DIE. So there you have it, celebrities and the likes celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. May 28th birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday din kay Kuya Jason Lorenzana. Hindi niya birthday. Shinare lang niya yung video kaya parang happy birthday na rin. Thank you so much, dude, for always doing that. Maraming salamat. Appreciate you guys. And everybody there at the Olongapo Barangayan page. Yan. Lagi nakashare yung Morning Brew video. Thank you very much. Alright? Care of Kuya Jason. Thank you. And shout out na rin to the rest of your Lorenzana family. Ayan. And don't forget our Siberian Husky deal, ha? In-announce talaga yun. Yeah. Shout out na rin kay Sven, speaking of which. Alright? And the Lorenzana family. Alright, here's our next song. One of today's birthday celebrants, Gladys Knight. Along with Dionne Warwick and Patti LaBelle. This is their song, Superwoman. Check it out. 895 Subic Bay Radio.